Number 1. Remote Control Off-Road Car. You can buy this car blue, green, orange color. Usage time about 30 minutes and charging time 4 hours. Remote control distance is between 30 and 50 meters. It has dual control version configuration and include 3.7 volt body battery. It is very beautiful and best product for you. Enjoy this item. Number 2. Remote Control Formula Car. This product made by environmental friendly plastic and alloy and sheet metal. You can buy this red or blue color. Remote control type is 2.4G wireless. Remote control distance is about 100 meters. High frequency, no interference. Enjoy this product. Number 3. Visuo X5816RC Drone. This product has many features, that is camera, Wi-Fi app control, Wi-Fi FPV. Flying time about 20 minutes and charging time about 1 hour. Optical flow positioning system for stable flight. With optical flow positioning system, the flight is more stable. One key following mode. In the mode, the drone will fly, following the player to capture the beautiful movement. Gesture shooting. Take photos just with one gesture without complex operation. It has G-sensor control. Control the flying direction by tightening your mobile phone. High, middle, low speed switchable. Choose the speed which you need. Help you control your drone better. Number 4. RGT RC Crawler. This product is waterproof RC car. It has many features, that is 6mm steel suspension multi-link design, front and rear bigger bumper, LED light option available, C-type steel beam body mount. It has adjustable axle by additional holes in rear beam, magic tie type battery mount design, increasing the usage range of different specification battery. It has professional spring plastic nylon shock with adjustable strong function. Enjoy this product. Number 5. Hunya RC Truck. It has 20 minutes max lifetime. The high capacity 7.4 volt and 600 mAh intelligent battery. Strong grip rubber track. Suitable for all terrains, stone piles, sand, cement roads, smooth floors, friction resistant. Enjoy this product.